Since the very first issue of Real Simple magazine launched back in April 2000, our home department has offered up countless cleaning tips over the years. Here are a few of our all-time favorites. Always clean from top to bottom. Clean from the top of the room down to the floor. That way, as dust falls, you won't have to re-clean lower surfaces. Tackle the floor last, working from the farthest end of the room out towards the door. Some of our most memorable cleaning tips have been about chemical-free cleaning solutions hiding right in your pantry, including vodka. Yes, really. Vodka is proven to eliminate germs and odors and can be mixed into many homemade cleaning recipes. It can even be spritzed onto an upholstered sofa to eliminate odors. DIY pet fur remover. Now, if you don't have a lint roller on hand, try this trick for collecting pet fur on a sofa or side chair. Put on a rubber glove and run your hand underwater so it's damp. Then run your hand over a sofa cushion to collect fur. The Lil Chizler. A favorite among Real Simple editors for many years, the Lil Chizler is a small tool created to help apply decals. But we've used it to do everything from scraping dirty pots and pans to cleaning up gunk around the kitchen sink. Keep shower cleaning supplies handy. Sometimes our most brilliant cleaning tips come right from our readers. In the April 2017 issue, we published this tip from reader JF via Facebook. I keep a dish wand filled with equal parts dish soap and vinegar in the shower so I can scrub while I'm in there. Works like a charm. Deodorize a garbage disposal. Over the years, we've recommended a couple methods for deodorizing a garbage disposal that really work. Try putting ice cubes made out of vinegar down the disposal, turn it on, and then flush with cool water. Alternatively, place an orange or lemon peel down the disposal to give it a fresh citrus scent. Want more clever cleaning hacks? Click subscribe so you won't miss an episode.